My dear friend and the leader of the RedTeam Security Summit, Mr. Jaizal, distinguished guests on the dais, off the dais, students and experts who are taking part in this Security Summit. RedTeam Security Summit have organized the 5th edition of this event, and it's a great honor and privilege for somebody like me to be a part of this event. I think that everybody inside the conference hall, except me, are either aspirants or experts in this particular field. I am the only person, the odd one out in this summit. We are the most unfortunate lot, the political lot. Even though I'm an expert in lighting the lamp, I don't think I'm an expert in hacking or ethical hacking. So we are the most unfortunate lot who are invited to take part in all the channel discussions every night. Either it might be on the Indian nuclear deal or it might be on the Indian Premier League, under which we all have to take part and give our views on. But I am a public representative, a member of the parliament representing this constituency, who actually doesn't want to take part in subjects which I am not aware of, or to speak on subjects which I am not aware of. But being a lawmaker, it is always my privilege to interact and intervene with organizations and teams and youngsters like you to understand the language of the new generation. It is very important when you make a law to understand the perspective of people working in this particular field. And it's always an immense pleasure and joy to be interacting with the young people of our country. Cyber laws are quite strong in our country these days. New laws have been in place. But even now, cyberspace is the most unsafe arenas in our communities. We usually say that women or people are unsafe in maybe a dark road, in not a very lit road. But in today's community, I believe that cyberspace is one of the most unsafest place. And there are many reasons for that. Previously, if we used to have goons, now we have a different version of goons who are known as the cyber goons, who rigorously attack you, who hacks your accounts, who does all kinds of financial transactions online. So this is a huge community where a lot of positive things can happen. As clearly mentioned by Jaizal, this is a ethical hacking conference. And the experts who are here, or the aspirants or students who are here, are being trained in different arenas where we can use that very positively in our community. I'm pretty sure that this is a larger version, or it's a huge platform where not just we speak on laws, but as I clearly mentioned, this is a place where you get to understand more. Our community, the global community, has been a very small community these days with the commencement of internet, and I believe that we are responsible people who have a moral responsibility to a society, and with the intervention of RedTeam Security Summit, I believe that the laws which are in place should be accessible to the common man of a society. The laws are not just confined to lawmakers or the lawyers of our country, but it should be accessible to everybody. The laws should be made aware to everybody. I think cyberspace should be a more harmonious place to be in, and I believe that this security summit can contribute to a much larger version of that harmony. I wish the team all the very best and congratulate RedTeam Security Summit for organizing such a beautiful event in a very short time. Thank you. Jai Hind.